What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power?
Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, a feature-packed smartphone that blends flagship power with fan-favorite value. Let's begin with the build and design. It features a premium aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass finish. With IP68 water and dust resistance, it's tough enough for everyday life. Now, let's talk about the display. The adaptive refresh rate goes up to 120 Hz for ultra-smooth experience. You get a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with Full HD Plus resolution. On to the camera. It has a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 8-megapixel telephoto. On the front, a 10-megapixel selfie camera. Under the hood, it runs on the Exynos 2400 processor with ray tracing support. It has a 4900 mAh battery which supports 25 watts fast charging. But does not include a charger adapter in the box. And of course, Galaxy AI features like Circle to Search and Generative Edit are included. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. A cutting-edge smartphone combining sleek design with powerful performance. Starting with the build and design. It boasts an ultra-slim aluminum frame with curved Gorilla Glass victors on both sides. Now, let's dive into the display. The Galaxy S25 Edge features a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X screen with QHD Plus resolution. It supports an adaptive refresh rate up to 144 Hz for super smooth visuals. Moving to the camera setup. Equipped with a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. A 12-megapixel front camera ensures sharp and vibrant selfies. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm SM8750AC Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm based processor chipset CPU. Octa-core, 2x4.47 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 6x3.53 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix M. With advanced AI enhancements. Adreno 831200 MHz GPU Elite graphics for gaming. It packs a 3900 mAh battery supporting 45 watts fast charging and wireless charging. Additionally, Galaxy AI features like Smart Compose and AI Vision are integrated. Launched on May 13, 2025, it's available globally with multiple color options. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The ultimate flagship smartphone with unmatched power and innovation. Let's start with the build and design. It features a robust titanium frame and ultra-tough Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on front and back. With IP68 water and dust resistance, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. Now, the display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra sports a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display with stunning 4K. It supports an adaptive refresh rate up to 144 Hz for buttery smooth visuals. On to the camera system. It boasts a quad camera setup. A 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom with 10x optical quality zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. A 12-megapixel front-facing camera delivers crisp selfies and video calls. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm SM8750AC Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm based processor chipset CPU. It houses a 5000 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging and wireless charging support. Galaxy AI features like Advanced Scene Optimizer and Live Translate are included. Launched on January 22, 2025, it's available worldwide with premium finishes. Let's move on to comparing the differences between these three models. Galaxy S25 FE, best for students. In my opinion, the Galaxy S25 FE is a great choice for students. It offers customizable features, solid battery life, and most importantly, it's budget-friendly, ideal for online classes, note-taking, casual gaming, and productivity apps. Galaxy S25 Edge, designed for professionals. With its slim and premium design, the Galaxy S25 Edge is well suited for business professionals. It's optimized for multitasking, office apps, video calls, and comes with enhanced security features, making it perfect for daily work usage. Galaxy S25 Ultra, powerhouse for gamers and power users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a top-tier experience with a powerful processor. advanced cooling system, and a high-end camera setup. It's perfect for gaming, content creation, and intensive multitasking. Keep in mind, it's not budget-friendly, but it delivers excellent value for power users and professionals alike. Each model has its strengths. S25 Fe is perfect for students on a budget. S25 Edge is ideal for business users who want style and productivity. And the S25 Ultra is built for gamers and creators who demand the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mobile comparisons.